In the quaint village of Brooksville, a bedraggled stranger named Oliver arrived one stormy evening. Shivering and soaked to the bone, he sought refuge from the unforgiving weather. The villagers, initially wary, exchanged curious glances as Mrs. Thompson, the kind-hearted widow who owned the bakery, extended a warm welcome. "Come in, dear. You look like you've weathered quite a storm," Mrs. Thompson exclaimed, leading Oliver to a cozy corner by the fireplace. With a grateful smile, Oliver replied, "Thank you. I've been on the road for a while, and the weather hasn't been kind." As the days unfolded, Oliver's story slowly emerged, like a delicate dance between trust and vulnerability. A few curious villagers approached him, eager to know more. "I've traveled from a town far away, hoping for a better life," Oliver shared with a hint of longing in his eyes. "But it seems misfortune had other plans." Mrs. Thompson, a beacon of empathy, offered, "Well, you're safe here, Oliver. How about lending a hand in the bakery? A bit of warmth and a purpose might do wonders." Grateful for the offer, Oliver nodded. "I'd be honored. Thank you for your kindness." Word spread through Brooksville about the mysterious stranger finding solace in the bakery. The once wary villagers began to warm up to Oliver, seeing the genuine kindness in his actions. One day, a curious child approached Oliver, eyes wide with innocence. "Are you really a stranger?" the child asked. Oliver chuckled. "Well, I was, but your town has a way of making someone feel at home." As winter embraced Brooksville, the villagers decided to celebrate the newfound warmth Oliver brought to their lives. Mrs. Thompson presented him with a hand-knitted blanket, saying, "For those chilly nights, Oliver. Your family now." The mayor, a jolly figure with a twinkle in his eye, declared, "We hereby declare Oliver an honorary citizen of Brooksville. A testament to the power of kindness." Gathered around a crackling bonfire on a starry night, laughter echoed as Oliver shared tales of his journey. The once poor stranger had become an integral part of Brooksville, proving that even in the simplest acts of kindness, extraordinary stories can unfold. And so, in the heart of Brooksville, a tale blossomed, a story of compassion, acceptance, and the enduring magic woven through the fabric of human connection.